How to fix Telegram verification code not received. Open your Play Store, and here you have to search Telegram. So if you have kept your Telegram up to date, then first of all, it is very important for you to update it, and you have to open the settings of your mobile. When you open the settings, here you will see apps, and you will get an option in the name of notifications or applications. You have to select it. And after selecting it, you have to search Telegram here. First of all, you have to force stop with force. After that, come here on storage and catch. And after that, you have to clear storage. See, it may take some time to clear storage, so I will back it up after that. What you have to do, go to permissions here and here. You have to see that nothing should be denied, everything should be allowed. See, in this way, it is counted without any new permission. You have to keep everything allowed, click on allow, and back, you have to exit completely and restart your mobile once and. As soon as you restart, when you turn on Telegram again for verification, then your problem will be solved.